So the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold went ahead and leaked. Well, some of the specs leaked. And unlike Samsung, Google is going for the opposite strategy of bigger phone, more inside, rather than a thinner phone and trying to make it as thin as humanly possible. So, I'll be honest, I like this strategy better. I think, more bang for your buck. Rather than having a very thin phone, you have a phone with more stuff inside. So starting off right away, they are going to be giving us an IP68 rating, which is better than the Z Fold 7 that has the same rating as the Z Fold 6, which is IP48, 4 being dust resistance, 8 being water resistance. I said waterproofness, but you don't get waterproofness until you get an IPX9 rating. It's going to have a bigger battery than the Z Fold series. The battery is going to be above 5,000 millihertz. We'll have to wait and see how it ends up shaking out. Like, what's the exact battery in the end here. But, hey, better than Samsung, and that's really all that matters. I'm trying to look at where there is a thing here that says the exact millihertz of it. I think it's like 5,032, I believe. Which isn't the biggest battery. There's bigger batteries out there. But when you compare it to the 4,400 millihertz of the Z Fold series, it's quite a little bit better. And I cannot, for some reason, find this. Anyway, wait here. 5,015. Thank you. It's also going to have a 7% upgrade over its predecessor, which it's a new Tensor G chip, so we'll see how it ends up working out, whether it's going to be amazing or not. Again, like I said, listen, the 9 Pro Fold is the best foldable phone on the planet. 10 Pro Fold is supposed to be 7% better. This is not the year to buy a foldable cell phone. Next year is. Next year, we're going to get a foldable iPhone. We're going to get a OnePlus Open 2. We're going to get a Z Fold 8 and 11 Pro Fold. That's the year where everyone's coming out with their best cell phones. So if you buy one this year, just remember and know you're not buying the best of the best. Next year is the best of the best. This year is going to be, still really great, but not next year. The 10 Pro Fold will rock a 3nm Tensor G5 chip paired with 16 GB of RAM. Typical storage options as always. So, again, the the Fold 7 features a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is more powerful than the G5. It'll be interesting to see how efficient Google's G5 is. So, and that's based on early rumors and speculation. That's going to be more powerful. At the end of the day, we'll see what the benchmarks are, right? Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Are you going to pick up a Z Fold 7? Are you going to pick up a Pixel 10 Pro Fold? I recommend waiting for the 11 Pro Fold. I recommend waiting for the Z Fold 8. Just my personal cup of tea. Peace out.